Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G13 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. And here we've got the current keyboard. To change it, just tap on settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard and then select the one that you wish to apply from the following list. You can either scroll all the way down or use the search button if you wish, but let me pick for example Hebrew, then tap on done, and now you can remove unnecessary language smoothly by marking it and then selecting Bing icon, and as you can see, brand new language is applied. So this is how you can switch keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.